When we talk about trucking cases, there is a specific definition that is involved, but generally think of 18-wheelers or box trucks, the big ones on the road that are commercial vehicles. Drivers are being asked to be on the road longer. They're being asked to do things that are a little bit more difficult. Basically, they're being asked to do things that they shouldn't be doing by their employer, and that's exposing the rest of the drivers on the road to certain dangers because those risks are being taken. In order to operate a truck or a commercial vehicle in this country, you're required by law to have insurance. So when you are pursuing a claim against either a truck driver or pursuing a claim against the motor carrier, you are going after insurance to compensate you for your injuries. What we end up doing at Heninger, Garrison, Davis is we sue both the driver and the trucking company. And this is because there are occasions when the driver is an independent contractor and he is just hauling a load for this carrier on a one-off situation. We also sue the employer or the motor carrier because there are more often times that is an employee, and you want to make sure that you capture every theory of liability that you can. So at the beginning, you sue both the driver and the motor carriers to make sure that you're not leaving anything on the table. In order to get full justice for one of these cases, to compensate you fully for every damage that's occurred to you, you need to make sure that your lawyer understands the regulations, applies the regulations to that certain fact situation, and understands how to hold drivers accountable for their conduct. If you've got a lawyer that's handling a trucking case as he would or she would a regular car wreck, you need to start asking some questions, because that lawyer probably doesn't understand the regulations that are involved and the experts that are needed to prove the case appropriately. The lawyers at Heninger, Garrison, Davis have years of experience handling trucking cases. We understand the law, we understand insurance, we understand how to recover the most for your injury. So if you are in a trucking wreck and you are injured, please call Heninger, Garrison, Davis.